Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the lights that are going to be put on the Southern Coastal Highway. Now, right here you can see the Jersey barrier. We are, where you see that space, that is where they're going to put the street lights. Now, it's going to be the same kind of lights that you see on Mandela Highway or Hagley Park Road. It's going to be the metal poles with the lights hanging over. And JPS, the Jamaica Public Service Company, is responsible for the lights. Now the base on which you're going to put the pole is the responsibility of the contractor. But the actual lights, and I'm assuming the maintaining of the lights, like the changing of the light bulbs, would be JPS. Okay, so we're just going to go through an article that gives some information on this. Now, I just want to point out, it's only this section of the highway from Harborview to Yallows that's getting the street lights. The section from Yallows to Portland won't be getting street lights. This Jersey barrier that you're looking at, where you see the break, it only runs from Harborview to Yallows. It doesn't go to Portland. So between Harborview and Yallows, that's 17.4 kilometers, and that stretch of the road is 4 lanes. You can see straight ahead, it's 4 lanes. That's a dual carriageway that's separated by the Jersey barrier. So that's the section that will get these street lights. Now between Yallows and Portland, the existing roadway is just going to be upgraded or paved. So if that section of the road already has street lights, which would more look like these over here, then those will remain because they're not moving those poles. Those poles won't be moved. It's just this section now between Harborview and Yallows, where the 4 lanes, they are going to put the street lights in this section here, in the middle of the road. The other lights will stay on the side of the road from Yallows to Portland. Alright, so let's just give you an update that was given by the NWA, read the street lights. And the NWA is now in charge of this project. The JPS has advised that they are going to be getting a shipment of poles sometime this month, which is August. The contractor is expected to have the bases erected for the poles to be installed, Mr. Shaw said. So regarding public queries pertaining to the provision of lights along with roadway under the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, Mr. Shaw informed that the Jamaica Public Service Company is responsible for this. When you drive along the road, you'll see some gaps in the Jersey barrier. Those spaces are really where the poles are going to be erected, he added. Mr. Shaw also addressed the issue of lack of management of the roadworks, but we'll talk about that in a different video. So basically, now it's going to be quite a few light poles going up. I mean, I shouldn't say quite a few, it's going to be a lot, because we're going to just drive now and you're going to see how many spaces there are in the Jersey barrier. So where we are is 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay, and we're going to be driving towards Albion. Now this section of the road is finished. Well, 2 lanes are finished because they're paved and the only thing left is the white lines. But behind us now, between 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay and Harborview, a lot of work has to be done. So we're going to go this way and drive on the finished section of the highway. And we're going to just pay attention to the gaps in the Jersey barrier where the street lights are going to go. So there you can see quite a few. Okay, let's zoom in. quite a few. So this road is going to have a lot of lights. These are the gaps. Everywhere you see a hole, that's where a street light is going to go. They're going to have one serious, well, I was going to say they're going to get a serious light bill, but maybe there are solar lights. They didn't specify the kind of street lights that they were going to be putting up. But hopefully they're solar, so the electricity bill won't be that high. I mean, at this day and age, I'm almost sure it should be solar they're putting up. But they didn't specify the kind of lights, and we're going to try and check it out. Now look at this truck. It's carrying marl and it's not covered. This is actually against the law. They're supposed to have the trucks covered. And this is a new road that was just opened not even a month yet. And they have marl going to be dropping all over the road. But we are focusing on the street lights today, so let's focus on that. So this entire road is to be finished by December 2023. So hopefully the street lights will be put in by then. There you can see a lot of gaps for the street lights. This road will definitely be well lit.